Subscribe and click the bell icon for all the television updates.
Wonderful lawyer Dinesh Tiwari put across all the facts of the case, all the evidence that we had, all the findings that we had, and what the police has done so far. And I think when the judge saw all the evidence in front of him and saw the Supreme Court judgments, High Court judgments, and all the judgments that our lawyer put forward regarding the case, the judge looked at everything that was presented and decided that he will now get judicial custody, and tomorrow we can apply for bail. So we are very relieved about that, and we're really looking forward to having Karan back with us. Of course, then the case continues, and we will make sure that it is, and then we are looking to quash the FIR as well, and we will look forward after that to prosecuting the person who has filed a fake case against Karan. Well, hashtag Men2 जो है already has been present on social media. हमने बस आज की स्थिति में उसको amplify किया है. Facebook पे हमने पेज शुरू किया है Men Protect Men2. Twitter पे hashtag Men2 जो है अभी ट्रेंडिंग हो रहा है. I think इतने सारे आदमी हैं जो इन लॉज के शिकार बन चुके हैं, जो कि जस्टिस चाहते हैं. इतने सारे फ़ोन कॉल्स मुझे आ रहे, इतने सारे मैसेजेस आ रहे, इतने सारे ईमेल्स आ रहे मुझे. प्लीज़ हेल्प अस ऑल्सो, वी ऑल्सो ट्रैप्ड इन फेक केसेस, दिस हैपन टू अस. तो इट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग मूवमेंट जो बहुत ज़रूरी है इस देश में इस वक्त. एंड आई थिंक मोर देन एनीथिंग एल्स this case, जबकि I think it's the perfect case to show that it is a fake case because the evidence is so overwhelming. देखिए, यकीन करने की बात नहीं है. जब आप कोर्ट्स जब आप नहीं nobody is above the law, and nobody, it's not like one gender is a guilty gender and that women are above the law. I'm sorry, it does not work that way. Women are human, men are human. There's no gender that is good or bad. They're people. Either you're a good person or you're a bad person, and if there's a good person, they need to be protected, and if there's a bad person, they need to be punished. It's as simple as that. And Men2 movement has come into the picture because there is a violation of men's rights taking place by misuse of law by women, misuse of the same laws that have been made to protect women. And that's the saddest part of the whole thing, because real women with real problems and burning issues, are taking shelter under this law that's now being looked at in a very different light. I'm saddened that women have become women's worst enemies in that sense. And it's again quite sad that a woman has to stand up for men's rights, because if a man had really stood up for men's rights, it would not be taken as seriously. हाँ, तो कल मैंने बोला कि कल हम अप्लाई करें बेल के लिए, वो बोल दिया. या